I gave it a little boost.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Uh-oh.
Surprise, motherfucker.
He piffed it. We'll count that. Great job, Shadow.
Silence, fool. Damn! I've suffered your presence long enough.
Look at my flashy threads and fly shades.
Yeah, look at his flashy threads and fly shake.
Bruh.
A polka. I can do a split. I can catch a ball butt just like this.
Yay!
Let's frame our statements with, when you do this, it makes me feel this.
Fine, okay, let's see. When you live here, it makes me feel angry. Because you're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
What you say?
Allow me to. Oh, okay, just tag me in when you're ready.
Really, nigga?
You caught my burger.
Radical. Speed.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Sorry!
Okay.
Okay. Last question. What would you do in a no-win situation?
I'm legally blind.
Huh. You really get it, new guy.
Do you feel scared without a home? Do you feel alone? Are you eating your feelings? Wow, muscles and brain smartness.
I know.
Bruh.
These nuts.
Hey.
I'm legally blind.
I'm going to Disney. I'm going to Disney World.
Alright, my turn.
Quiero estar contigo, vivir contigo, bailar contigo, tener